Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover your account or reset your password on Roblox. So first, you need to click log in and then click forgot password or username. So here you can either choose password or username. So if you forgot your username, you can click username. Then if you forgot your password, click password. And then you need to make sure that your email address on that account is verified, because if it's not verified, you cannot retrieve or recover that e account. So here you need to type your email address that you used on making that account. As you can see here, if you did not give us a real email address when you created your account, we cannot send you an email. Then click submit, and also you can use phone number to reset password. So here an email with instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. So you need to check your Gmail. Then I'll be back and just need to check my Gmail. Okay, so as you can see, I received the email, and you just want to click reset password, and then after that you can create your new password. So for example, I just want this password, so type it 2 times, then click submit, and then there you have it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.